G for grapes.
G for grapes.
H for horse.
I
I for ice cream. J for jug. K for भूल जाऊँ हाँ J for jug.
A for apple. B for ball. C for duck. D for dog. E for dog. E for apple. F for fish. J for fish.
G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. Go. I for তারপরে J for jug. K for kite.
Mama.
ମୋର ଥଣ୍ଡା ହେଇଛି କହୁନୁ କହ